Hey, Watson's Barbecue. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to do some double smoked baked potatoes, fully loaded. We're going to put them on the smoker, let them ride for a while, and turn around and gut them. Or I can't say gut. We're going to say extract. Extract the guts out of them, and then make up a mixture, restuff them, and put them back on the smoker. So what we're going to do is we got some olive oil. I already rinsed them off, poked a bunch of holes in them, and I'm going to come back, put some olive oil on them, some kosher salt, and get them out there cooking. We got the smoker running at about 350 right now, so I'm guessing it's going to take a good hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. So there they are. They've been on for about an hour and a half. I think they're just about ready to come off. We'll start doing the slicing and the dicing and the mixing. Everybody will be happy. Alright, so we got them off the smoker now. We got 6 of our potatoes going here. A lot of people will take and cut them directly in half. I don't like to do that. I only take about maybe the top 1/4 inch off. Okay, that leaves me more of a bowl when I scoop them out. You want to leave about a 1/4 inch of that potato around the inside of it. You also want to do this when it's fairly soft, or excuse me, fairly warm yet. They seem to spoon out a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the rest of these potatoes up like that. And then I'm going to mix, we got a cup of sour cream. I got 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I'm going to throw in a tablespoon, or excuse me, a teaspoon of garlic. I got half a pound of bacon. I got 2 tablespoons of chives, and then a half a stick of butter. We're going to mix everything up together and then repack everything back into the potatoes and get them back out on the smoker, okay? Alright, so what I did is I mixed everything together, all the ingredients, and I come back and I'm going to stuff them, and I'm going to top them with some cheese and some extra bacon that I had. So you notice there's quite a bit of, stuffing, I guess, per se, left for each potato. So those tops that I cut off, I simply put some of the stuff in there. And then those will go on the smoker as well, only less amount of time, and it'll give the cook a little bit of a snack before dinner. So I'm finished packing these up. And I pack them kind of tight, you know. It gives everybody more of a bite, I guess, per se. Okay, come back with our cheese. Now this is Colby Jack cheese that I'm putting on here instead of the sharp cheddar. It gives it just a little bit of a contrast for the topping. So I'm kind of packing the cheese down on there. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but that's alright. It wipes up. So let's get the cheese placed on top. We're going to come back with some bacon. Put a little bit of bacon on them. And everything goes good with bacon. I'm going to run that smoker. I'm going to maintain it at 350 again. Maybe put these on for another half hour, 45 minutes. Then they should be done. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Tell me those things don't look good sitting there in that smoker. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright, so they're all done. They were put back on the smoker for about a half hour. Let's see what we did here. They smell freaking awesome. You can't swear on YouTube, man, but them things are badass. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cook some steaks up for dinner. Have some baked potato, and we'll be all set. Hey, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Drop us a shout, and I'll comment back to you. All right? Thanks a lot for watching.